Did you know there's a neighborhood in Great Neck that has a private lake and beach just for residents? Welcome to Sylvan Lake. This hidden gem is located just off Mill Dam Road in the Great Neck corridor of Virginia Beach. There are just over 50 homes in this neighborhood, and only 20 of them are located on this lake. And that includes my newest listing at 1921 Sandee Crescent. Let's check it out. This home has been meticulously maintained with an architectural shingle roof, newer HVAC system, and fresh paint. It has a wonderful open floor plan as well. Call me today to schedule your private viewing on this exquisite lakefront home.